Hi, I'm Maria Liberati from the award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. Today we're making a traditional Italian pasta dish, pasta carbonara, but I'm doing a vegetarian style pasta carbonara. So if you're vegetarian, you can eat this. This one has 2 zucchinis that we grated and 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So what we're going to do is we are going to put in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to put in our zucchini, pinch of pepper, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to toss this around now, and we're going to let this saute just for about 5 minutes until the zucchini is tender. I cooked a pound of spaghetti, and we're going to add the spaghetti to the sauteed zucchini. We're going to toss this around, warm it up again. We're going to break the 2 eggs in the bowl. Take a wire whisk and just whisk the eggs. What we're going to do is we're going to add the eggs into the pasta. We've turned the heat off for now. We're going to add the eggs in for my pasta carbonara. We're going to mix this around just a bit and let the eggs cook. We're going to turn the heat on just a little because we want the eggs to cook. I've cooked my pasta with the eggs for approximately 1 minute. Now we're ready to plate up and serve my vegetarian pasta carbonara. I'm Maria Liberati from The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. Thanks for watching.